again this video, and today we are going to hear language second, CTAT, UTAT also, and this is English class 6 to 8 and paper second. Okay, so here given some paragraph, read the passage given below and answer the questions that follow by selecting the correct most appropriate options. We are given this paragraph, so let's read this paragraph first. As science progresses, the precision ought to grow less. On the whole, that is true. However, it is surprising how superstition linger on if we are tempted to look down on saves strives for holding such ideas. We should remember that even today, among most civilized nations, a great many equally stupid superstitions exist and are believed in by a great many people. Some people will not sit down 13 at a table, or will not like to start anything important on a Friday, or refuse to walk under a ladder. Many people buy charms and talismans because they think they will bring them luck. Even in civilized nations today, many laws are made on the basis of principles which are just as much unproved. For instance, it is often held as a principle that white people are by nature superior to people of other colors. The ancient Greeks believed that they were superior to the people of Northern and Western Europe. The only way to see if there is anything in such a principle is to make scientific studies of a number of white and black and brown people under different conditions of life and find out just what they can and cannot achieve. It is, however, true that the increase of scientific knowledge reduces superstition and also baseless guessing and useless argument in practices. Civilized people do not argue and get angry about what water is composed of. The composition of water is known and there is no argument about it. Here given some questions. We should not despise the savage tribes because we are no less superstition than they are. Okay, so right answer is D option. Which of the following has a scientific basis for it? So Fridays are as good as other days. So this is this following scientific basis. Friday are as good as other days. So D option right. Now let's see next question. Who believe in superstition? Are tribals and some civilized nations. Okay. Now next question. Study the following statements. Ancient Greeks were superior to other European nations. Science helps us fight superstition. So A is wrong and B is right. That means A is wrong and B is right. Okay. So which part of a speech? Next question. Which part of a speech is the underlined word in the following sentence? So pronoun. Okay. Pronoun. On the whole, that is true. Pronoun. Identify the part of a speech of the underlined word in the following sentence. Adverb. It is often held that as a principle. Adverb. The right answer is adverb. Fill in the blanks in the following sentence. So is dash is opposite is meaning to the word superior. So inferior. Okay. Inferior is the opposite meaning to the word superior. That means C is correct answer. The statement which best sums up the passage is irrational beliefs. Okay. Irrational beliefs. This line with the advancement of science. So B option is correct answer. Okay. Here given some passage again. Read the passage given below and answer the question that follow by selecting the correct most appropriate option. So here given of this paragraph and here written questions. So let's see questions. Why does a common man choose to wear a seat belt? So he wants to protect himself. Okay. Study the following statement. Though it's very dangerous, some people don't quit smoking. So which is the correct answer? Whether or not to drink alcohol is not a health decision. So that is A option right. A is right and B is wrong. That means this is the right answer. Okay. Which of the following pieces of advice can be easily ignored by the people? Don't drive a motorbike. Don't drive a motorbike. Okay. Which part of speech is the underlined word in the following sentence? Conjunctions. Okay. Conjunctions. Which part of speech is the underlined word in the following sentence? Determiner. Understanding this process is critical. Look at here. Critical. So determiner. Smokers run double the risk of contracting heart disease. Catching. Okay. Catching. 135. Let's see this question. An example of limited area of health taking medicines. A teacher asks her learners to discuss in group of 4, jot down ideas and then develop them in outline to write a paragraph. Learners then edit the paragraph into a final draft. Which strategy of writing does the teacher follow here? Process approach. Transactional listening, less emphasis on conveying information. So transactional listening, less emphasis on conveying information. CALP stands for cognitively advanced language proficiency. Okay, a task in task-based language learning means an activity where the target language is used by the learner for a communicative purpose. Okay, an activity where the target language is used by the learner for a communicative purpose. Next question. According to the National Curriculum Framework 2005, which one of the following is not an objective language teaching learning? So to know the history of languages. To know the story of languages. Which one of the following is not true of language learning? Grammatical rules are important for learning a language. It's not true. Okay. Which is an effective way of teaching learning grammar? Presenting grammar from form in a natural discourse, then explaining how the form is made and used. See next question. What status is given to English language in the Indian Constitution? So right answer, associate official language. Associate official language. Next question. A language teacher asks learners to write a paragraph on scarcity of water. Learners gather information from science and social science books and other sources before writing. Such task aims at achieving language learning crosses curriculum, enhancing curriculum skills. Which one of the following is not an assessment tool for language learning? Realia. Okay, Realia is not a tool. Okay. Teaching a novel is to promote reading for pleasure. Reading for pleasure. Storytelling as a strategy in language teaching is aimed at engaging learners with language. Engaging learners with language. Input hypothesis refers to the relationship between what the learner is exposed to the language and language acquisition. So input hypothesis refers to the relationship between what the learner is exposed to a language and language acquisition. Okay, which one of the following makes the communication cycle process? So feedback. Top down process of reading proceeds from whole to part. So these are some important questions about CTET exam paper 2nd English. Okay, thank you everyone. Keep safe at your home. Thank you.